Hi everyone, today we have this platform called MoonClerk, and this is the best platform if you want best recurring one-time payments. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to get the extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and different type of gifts onto this platforms. You can head over to that link. Talking about MoonClerk, now payments is a big issue if you are working with various clients from international regions or even national regions. So you can see it offers different payout form. If you click on create a payout form, you are going to be asked to simply create your payout form, which is going to be asking you for a title, description, payment method, amount, even frequency, and you can choose it to be recurring or not. Once you do that, you have your additional information and coupons. So a really in-depth information is going to be getting into this. Let's say you want to create this payout form, and once you enter and fill all of these fields, you are going to be clicking on save and finish, and you can share it with your international clients. In the payments, of course, your payments are going to be listed. You can even create your plans if you are having a recurring payment system. You have your themes, and these are basically where different type of payment themes could be modified and created. You can see the color codes and logo. If you choose yes on the logo, you are going to be having this option to upload your logo as well. So coupons are of course a big system in payment. You can offer coupons as well, extensions, digital delivery, MoonClerk Pro for MailChimp. If you use for MailChimp, you are going to be having an idea for that, and crowdfunding. So make sure to give it a try to this platform. For some reason, if you are unsure about it, you can go through the ratings. You can see people are literally loving it and really amazing. So make sure to give it a try, guys, and you will have a better idea yourself. So you can use the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. So that is something really amazing. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.